and gents, welcome po to our channel at Simple Smith Family! Woohoo! What day is it today, boys? It's Wednesday! Ayan guys, it's 5 p.m. here in the UK guys at napakadilim na po at papunta kami sa bahay nila Mama Rena today. It is because it is her birthday at ang mga bata excited dahil we brought a cake for Mama Rena at sila daw ang magbo-blow ng candles. But we got to sing happy birthday, don't we, boys? Well, no? No? Alright. Well, we'll sing happy birthday, then we'll blow the cake. How's that? Ayan guys, I hope you're all well. At nako, napaka rainy day today. Parang may bagyo din dito katulad sa atin sa Philippines. Go, 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 go. Ayan, napakadilim po, napakadilim. Aray ko. Oh, sorry. I hope you're all well sa mga kababayan natin sa Philippines. Oh, there is, ayun po, dahil po sa Bagyo Tino and Owan at may mga iba pang parating, Diyos ko, papunta siya sa north ulit. Ay, nako Lord, sana naman okay po ang, hindi naman po sobrang grabe. Kaya kinakabahan kami dahil ang nanay tatay ko are from, we're from north. So, I hope they're aba mga bata fully charged. Okay, that's it Ben, listen to Kuya William. Sabi niya, look, it's traffic, sobrang traffic today at aba 13 degrees mas. Ayan guys, ayan ang ating busy life. Ang ating mga anak ay they had a good day today sa school at si Ben naman, he had a good day. Medyo yung winter bug dito guys, nagkakahawa-hawaan sa school. Kaya si William para daw parang pagod lagi. Pero sabi ko, ganyan siya kasi it seems like he's brewing something. Parang magkakasipon. So binigyan ko na ng multivitamins niya. At saka binigyan ko na rin ng paracetamol kasi parang na non-stop na yung ilong. Aba, liwanag. Ayan, may ilaw tayo. So, by the way guys, yung mga victims natin ng typhoon sa Philippines, there's help coming from the UK sa Filipino community namin and doon sa aming work area, sa hospital namin. We are organizing parang bayanihan, parang fundraising so we will bring some food. At yung venue, yung British na may-ari na in charge sa venue, sabi niya, it's free na. I'm not charging you, sabi niya. So thank you po. Thank you for helping Filipino community. I know there's a lot of British community and other nationalities who are very willing to help us Filipinos, especially our friends from India, from Africa, Zimbabwe, madami yung mga friends natin na willing to help. So we just don't know where to send it exactly daw. So what we're doing is we're searching, di ba, ABS-CBN siguro or what, kasi we're just wait a minute na. Yes, it's traffic. Oh dear, Ben started to have a cough na rin guys. Kaya push fluids ka, so ayun yung uminom. Parang sobrang busy naman ang ating rush hour kasi 5 o'clock na guys. I could have gone. Lahat sila ay going left. Ayan guys, sobrang busy ang ating buhay-buhay pero basta healthy tayo, okay na ako. Amen. Yung pupuntahan pala natin guys, si Mama Rena, she used to be the one who looks after William. Nung duty kami pareho ni Tomas, puro kami night. Yung isa pang anak namin, Diyos ko, parang kanino namin iiwan. So at that time, wala pa kaming flexible hours. Hindi pa na-approve dun sa work ko. So now, they have approved it. So mag-work lang ako sa day off ni Tomas. Hindi na yung dalawa kami night duty. Tapos walang magbabantay sa mga bata. Parang my God, ang hirap ng buhay abroad pag wala kang kasama, kamag-anak, or kaibigan na pag-iiwanan. So, sila Mama Rena and Uncle Charles, they were the one who looked after William noon nung, yun, bago ko papasok. Iiwan ko na si William, naka-ready na, naka-pijama na lahat-lahat. And then, after duty sa ospital, dadaanan ko na naman siya, kukunin ko na naman siya. Kawawa. Pero anyway, I know na naalagaan naman siya, so hanggang ngayon kilala pa niya sila, so which is a very good thing. So ngayon it's her birthday and we will blow a candle. We got a cake for Mama Rana. And then si Tomas naman, guys, pumasok na rin sa work today and we are excited. He's starting his day shift next week. So it will be better for us kasi at least he's not working against his body clock, diba? Parang ang hirap kasi, halimbawa 4 nights, 5 nights in a week, oh my God, talagang pahirapan, guys, kasi dito sa UK, you work, you pay your bills, and the more hours you work, the more money you get paid, but the more tax you pay ko. So wala nang time sa family, so we said, oh, we need to change a little bit para we spend more time together. And nako, tingnan nyo, guys, ang ating busy na road. 5:17 PM. So at least mga 6 o'clock siguro alis na tayo doon para maka-bed naman ang mga bata. Kasi 7 o'clock at least nasa bedroom na nila at nag-chill na. Kumain naman na sila. So today, ayun, busy ang bilis ng araw today. Ano ba? After ng mga bata syempre in the morning, ang first routine natin, drop them off to school. And then after that, pumunta ako sa post office, pumunta ako sa shoe zone, bumili ng sapatos nila kasi wala na, maliit na. Alam niyo yun, guys, pagka red na pala yung nagre-red na yung toes ni William. Yung pala, maliit na yung shoes niya. Tapos si Ben naman, mahirap nang ipasok yung paa niya. So, ang bilis lumaki yung mga paa nitong mga to. Kaya, ako, guys, I don't buy very expensive shoes or mga ganun. Kasi, ang bilis, para tayong may ring light, may ilaw, may tayo, guys, spotlight tayo. Ang bilis lumaki ang mga bata, guys, kaya pagka mamahalin ng mga gamit nila, okay lang if you can afford, pero as a working parents, of course, may mga priorities tayo, we have to pay bills, we have to prioritize mga insurance na ganyan, so, for the future, kung kailangan natin, at least nandyan. Ayan, guys, na traffic na tayo. So anyway, ang routine ko this morning, so hanggang sa ang ating mare, si Christine, sabi niya, tara, kain tayo sa bahay. Lalabas sana kami, pupunta sana kami sa parang SM dito, pero mas maliit lang. Kaso,
Yes, hello, yes.
yes! Does that look look ghost? Halloween is finished now, William. Halloween's over. It's Christmas soon. We'll decorate our Christmas tree to next week. Halloween ghost is gone. Halloween's finished. Say again? Aba, tulog ng Ben? Kaya pala, guys, tahimik ang ating Ben. He's already asleep. Are you sleepy, William? Hindi kasi natulog all day si Ben, kaya pagod. So, yan, nagre-recharge so he can play for a bit at Mama Rena's house. And then, hopefully makatulog ulit tonight. Ayan, guys, so tuloy ko yung day ko today. So ang ating syempre post office, 10 o'clock pumunta ako sa church namin. Meron kasi silang service doon ng in the morning. So pumunta ako, nagpasalamat, nagpray ako for the safety of our loved ones, mga kababayan sa Philippines, dahil nga ang typhoon, my God, non-stop naman na po ang grabe naman talaga naman tayong binabatter. Philippines is being battered by typhoons and super typhoons. Parang, Diyos ko, wag naman na po. Tama na. Magka-Christmas na, kawawa naman ang mga kababayan natin. So hopefully guys, pag-pray nyo naman if you're close to us here in Royal Stoke in Staffordshire area. I will post sa dito kung kailan yung, kasi may tentative date pa. Sabi nila November 28 pero it's not confirmed yet kasi in-organize pa kung sino yung mga magpa-perform kasi syempre mag-i-invite tayo ng mga tao para magbigay ng donations, mga ganyan. So meron tayong mga Filipinos who can play guitar and who can sing, and may, alam mo naman po mga Pilipino, we have parties, we have karaoke, we have games, diba? Eh sabi ko, I will make some lumpia, spring rolls, and I will what else? The other one I said cake. I'll bring some cake, and first Dossier. Oh, Dossier perfumes. Yan. I will bring some perfumes from Dossier as well to be raffled. Ayan, thank you Dossier. You don't know, you're helping our Filipino community because we're raising funds, and one of the prizes will be one of your perfumes, Dossier. Oh, social, diba? Sa totoo lang guys, their perfumes are really nice. I'm wearing one now kasi I've got one in my car. Kasi syempre when you're rushing, you don't have time to wala nang makeup eh. If you're a mother of 2, I don't know how people cope with 4 or 5. Oh, hats off to you guys. If you got 5 children, well done. Ay, grabe. Ito nga, 2 na lang eh. Nagkakanda ugaga na. Yes. Yes, William. Oh, that is nice. Blue car. I like that blue car. That's beautiful. Ano kaya yan? Oh, hindi natin makita. This one in front of me, guys, is a blue car. It looks like a Land Rover. I like a Discovery one. Oh, it's a Range Rover. Tama nga, Range Rover. So yes, guys, November 28 daw yung fundraising natin to help our Filipino people. To raise money here in the UK to send, para we can send it to the Philippines. So we'll see, diba? Ay nako, we have lots and lots of British friends who love our pancit and lumpia, spring rolls. My goodness. Yeah, hopefully we can raise some money for our kababayans. Just ko, parang watching the videos and photos, parang it really breaks our hearts. And we just hope and pray for our families kasi the typhoon is coming back daw. There's another, yung O1 daw, it went na, diba? And then it's coming back na naman, pero another name na. So sabi ko, my goodness. So panay ang dasal at rosaryo kasi prayers can move mountains. I believe in miracles, so we just hope that everything goes well, guys. Nag-i-steam tayo ah. So let's put more. Yan. Aba, William is not sleepy. Very good. Si Ben pag tulog na. Aba, ang liwanag oh. Meron para tayong may spotlight. Yes, anak? Are you okay? Ang ganda ng car nitong katabi ko. Social. Kaso sobrang laki. Yun ang problema sa Range Rover, guys. Parang ang laki. Parang ang hirap i-parking. Ito na nga lang, I have Suzuki Vitara. Parang, where will I park? Pero when you got kids, you need a bigger boot talaga. If sabi ko nga kay Tomas, ang next car ko na is a 7-seater one, so I can put more in at the back, diba? So I can collect more friends para may kasama naman akong may kausap naman ako at may kagala naman ako, guys. Ay, this week pala wala akong pasok dahil swinap ko. Hindi, meron pa akong holiday. Naka-holiday ako. And then next week, swinap ko dahil meron kaming trainings. Kaya today is I'm focusing with the kids and loved ones. O, diba? Ayan, malapit na tayo, guys, sa bahay nila Mama Rena. Aba, 15 minutes ang ating biyahe dahil nga matraffic at maulan. Mariosep. Yeah, so I'll take most of my boxes today. Usually I make lists, guys, sa calendar ko, sa phone. Sometimes we need to be organized, diba? Pero my God, we can't help it sometimes. Parang, Pero we just, anyway, I've made a list of the things that I needed to do and finish today. So I've done some paperwork, managed to post it, then nakaka-catch up ako sa sarili ko. Yung you have to have like a mommy time, yung friends na kachika mo na parehong nanay. So maganda yung may kachika ka, at least and then I will show you guys pala, meron tayong friends na ang pangalan is Linz. Meron siyang online shopping. Go on. Sumisingit siya, so pinasingit ko na. You're welcome. Ayan, nag-flash siya to say thank you. Yung hazard na dalawang 1, 2, 3 hazards. O, diba? At least marunong mag-thank you. You're welcome, Miss Carpicanto. Anyway, guys, back to my friend called Linz. Ilagay ko sa link. She's got a Filipino shop. Online naman siya. So, you can order some Filipino stuff. Yung mga patis, mga soy sauce, mga kung ano-ano. May website siya, guys, so you can order from her, and then it's either, kung malapit kayo, pwede nilang i-deliver o pwede kong idaan. Pagka malayo naman, pwede ding i-post via post. And she gave me some mga freebies. Ang dami, nagulat ako. Ano to? Early Christmas. So, nagpapasalamat daw siya sa kasi tayo mga Pilipino nagtutulungan dito. At Ilocano din siya, guys. Kaya, may common denominator. So, anyway, may mga binigay siyang freebies. Kaya, I will show you later kung ano yung mga yon. Syempre, madami siya. Nagulat ako. Ano to? Parang Christmas. But anyway, supportahan po natin ang ating Kapwa Pinoy local business. Meron siyang online doon po sa bahay niya. Pwede ding pumunta sa bahay niya kung malapit kayo. Pero I think majority mga sa online. Ayan, we're near na, guys. We're very near na. Sabi ko, how did you start? Yung pala sa mga gusto daw gusto pong mag-business. Usually, nung nagkaanak siya, she was craving for something. Minsan parang ang hirap hanapin yung mga gusto mong Filipino products. So yun, hanggang sa doon nag-start na, hang on, I can stay at home, look after my child, at sige, go na. Go. At mag-business na lang. So, ayan po, I'm not sure how long na yung business niya, pero suportahan po natin kasi napakabait po ng taong ito. They help a lot sa mga kaibigan, mga kakilala. So, and I can guarantee, guys, it's not too expensive yung mga products, Filipino products. It's not that expensive. Kaya instead of going to another shop, guys, na other suportahan po natin siya. O, diba? Sana tayo. Malapit na ba tayo? My God, 18 minutes na tayo nagda-drive. Usually, ito 10 minutes lang to pero dahil traffic, guys, napabagal tayo. At tumahimik ng ating William. So, I'm not sure if he's awake or not. Feeling ko nakatulog. Oh, he's awake. Are you awake? Oh, you're awake. You okay, William? You want to go down? Want to get out? Well, we're nearly there. We'll get out and we'll go see Mama Rena and Uncle Charles. Are you ready to blow the candle? But you got to sing happy birthday though. Ayan po, dito sa UK, you will have friends who will become your family kasi wala naman tayong mga kamag-anak dito. May kamag-anak ko pero nasa London naman sila, ang layo. 3 hours by car at least ang London sa akin, guys. So if you go by train, siguro 1 to 2 hours. I think depende kung merong fast I'm sure meron naman fast, pero yung 1 hour pero mahal ang pamasahe. So usually 2 hours ang train. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Alright, guys, thank you. Madito na kami. Ayan po ang ating cake for Mama Rena. Happy birthday, Mama Rena. Happy 21st day again. Whose birthday? Who's gonna blow the candle? Oh, look. Oh, who's gonna blow the candle? You gonna blow the candle? Are you going to blow the candle, Ben? Okay, shall we sing happy birthday then? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hep hep! Hep hep! Hala! Happy birthday to you. Hep hep! Hooray! William! Mama Rena's turn! High five! Aba. Yay! Hep hep! Hep hep! Good job! Swish, swish! So William. No, don't blow it. It's Mama Rena's turn.
No.
Yay! Ayan, may spaghetti. What is it, Ben? Ow! Ow! Ben got my hand. Pumpkin. Hi! Ito naman yung Mama Jo natin. Mama, I love your hair. So, siya naman. Say cheese! Cheese! Mama, small cheese! Go na, go na. It's hot, it's hot. It's hot. Yan, that's our kuya. Video to. Ayan guys, gabing-gabi na at pauwi na kami at last nakakain na naman kami guys ng spaghetti. Diba? So, ano na ba? 7 na. Sabi namin na alis kami ng 6. Ay, Diyos ko guys, napadaldal na kami. Naglaro na yung mga bata. So, may dumating din na ibang bisita. Kaya, ayan, 7 na pauwi pa lang kami. Pero ang bed naman ng mga to 7, dapat nasa room na. I'm sorry, anak. What is it? Oh, it's not working. Oh, right. Okay. Si Ben. Si Ben nakatulog si Ben. Tapos guys, ayun, nung nilagay ko na siya sa sofa, na ano niya, na-realize niya na, oh, wala ako sa sasakyan. Ayan, gumising na hanggang sa unti-unting naglaro after na ano siya, nagising na, naglaro na after. Ayan, it's still raining. At ay nako, ang dilim-dilim na ipang 7 o'clock pa lang. Yes, anak. Ano? Late kayo tonight mag-bed. 8 o'clock na tayo makaka-bed nito. Pero okay lang kasi pagod naman sila guys. Kaya hopefully diretso ang tulog. Yes! Did you enjoy the party? Yeah? Oh, they enjoyed blowing the candles, guys. At what's not working? Oh dear, laki ng problem ni Ben. It's not working daw. Sorry. Siyempre wala na tayong wifi, anak. Ayan guys, malapit na kami sa bahay. Ayan guys, raining pa rin. Ayan, malapit na kami sa bahay. At ayan, pinatahan ko muna si Ben kasi Diyos ko, grabe, ang ingay niya sa likod. But now, ayan, tumahimik na siya. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, louder, I can't hear you then. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Ben wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Ben is singing, guys. And William's singing as well. Good boy. Oh, wow. What's that? Is that a Christmas tree? Did you see Christmas light? No? You did not see Christmas light? Oh, gone. Oh, God. Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Woo! Come on now.
Stay.
Yes, we're reading popcorn. Okay.
Stay.
Our book for tonight is about popcorn. Oh, do you want that one? You can have that one.
Popcorn.
Yeah. Let's give Ben the turtle. Ben wants a turtle. There
Let
you
me use popcorn.
go. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh, listen now, boys. Say hi, Nanay. Hi, Tatay.
Hi. Ma.
Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Nanay. Hi, Tatay. Mm.
Hi, mommy. Hi, daddy.
Hi, Nanay. Hi, Tatay.
Hi, mommy. Hi, daddy.
Okay, now
Hi,
listen.
Mama.
Are you ready? Oh, come on, sit down properly now. Look at this. What's this? Popcorn. Ah, this is the cover. That's the front. This is the first page, right? It says popcorn. William, you know what this is? What's this?
What?
T. Ah. What's that? Ah. P. Tap. William, can you say tap? Tap. Good boy. What this one? Oh. What's that sound? T. Yeah. Yeah, tipping the popcorn. So first you got to wash your hands. Yeah. Oh, there's something in my eye. So you got to wash your hands. Yeah, wash your hands. And then you tip the popcorn in the pan. Okay? T. Can you say it? T. Tip is tipping the popcorn. And then you put the lid. Look, put the lid. Yes. William tulog na. And then puff and pop and puff and pop. Look. Puff and pop and puff and pop. William nasa. Yeah? Puff. Puff and pop. Yeah? Oh, sorry. And then yum. Yummy, yummy. So they will eat the popcorn because it's cooked. Yeah? And then, what did the children do before making popcorn? They washed their hands. What did the child dip in the pan? It's the corn. Mm-hmm. So why did the children need an adult to help? Because the pan can be hot.
What?
So why did the popcorn pan need a lid? So the popcorn don't go pop out the pan. Because the popcorn jump. Have you ever made popcorn? No. Shall we make popcorn tomorrow?
Yeah, popcorn.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Where do people often eat popcorn? At the cinema. The end. Do you want this one? Oops, sorry. Do you want the gingerbread man? Or do you want the popcorn again? Gingerbread man? Okay. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. Okay, no pulling. Can I have it? Let's read it. The, William, look. It's a tricky word, this one. The, g, g, gingerbread man. Miss Bun. Look, she made the gingerbread man and then she put it in the oven. That's Miss Bun. That's her name.
Oven.
That's the oven. That's the tray. It's a rectangle tray. And they put the gingerbread man on a tray. Now she's going to bake it in the... Oh, what's this? William, what's this? Oven. Okay. Run! And then the gingerbread man ran away because he did not want to be in the hot oven. Look! Run! Run! As fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. Run! Run! As fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. And then he met a cat, a dog, a cow. What's this? What's this?
A cat, a little dog.
Yeah? What's that? A cow, a horse, and what are these?
Roosters.
Yes, roosters. What's this? Nay! It's a horse. Hop on! And then he met this fox. And then they crossed the river. Look at the river. It's quite deep. And then Miss Bun was chasing the gingerbread man. Oh no! And it gets deeper and deeper. Oh no! What's he gonna do? And snack. Oh no! The fox wanted to eat him. The end. Okay? Alright? How about this one? Shall we? So with this one, it's time to play. Thank you. Shall I read this? William, do you want me to read this time to play?
Yeah.
Okay. It's time to play. Oh. Can you see what you see? Say what you see.
Play.
Oh, it's time to play. In the middle of the day, when the sun was very hot, Big Lion liked to lie down for a nice long nap. Oh, come sit down na, anak ko. Little Lion, who wanted to be just like Big Lion, when he grew up, lay down too. Little Lion, who wanted to be just like Big Lion when he grew up, lay down. And Big Lion stretched right out and fell asleep. Look at that little lion chasing the butterfly. What's that? It's a monkey. Big Lion lay down and was soon fast asleep. But Little Lion slowly looked around. High in the nearby tree, a monkey was hanging from the branch.
You got it.
Ah.
No.
Climb up the tree and tried to move along the branch.
That way.
You!
That way.
What's that?
You got it.
And this one, what's this? There was a lizard there hanging on the branch. Yeah, good boy. So Little Lion crept quietly through the grass and pretending he was brave and strong like Big Lion. Suddenly, he saw something wiggle right under his nose. Little Lion! Ouch! Wah! Ouch! Cried Big Lion. What are you doing? That was my tail. And I was doing my creeping practice, said Little Lion. I want to creep quietly like you do. Well, laughed Big Lion, I was doing my sleeping practice. That's a good thing to do, but I don't think now is a good time for me to do it. Catch me if you can, Little Lion. All afternoon, Big Lion and Little Lion played tag and hide and seek. They weren't slow and they weren't quiet. but they were sure of one thing. It was a very good thing to do. Goodbye. See you soon. The end. Let's go now. Oh, again, blow a kiss to Nanay. Mwah. Blow a kiss to everybody. To Tatay. Blow a kiss to Tatay. You blow a kiss to Daddy and to everybody. Say bye-bye, guys. Mwah. Like this.
Say cheese.
Say cheese and kiss. And guys, good night na po. Nanay. Antok na tong mga alaga ko. Ayan guys, let's have a look kung ano ang laman ng ating bag. At syempre, these are all free from our friend Lynn. Meron po siyang online shop na Filipino products, mga kung you're craving with anything na Filipino product, baka po meron siya dun sa online niya. Most of it meron naman po. So, have a look sa online shop, Lynn's Online Shop UK. Sa Facebook po siya usually. At napakabait po ng taong to. Napakabait po at naalala niya kami. And syempre po, pag naging suki kayo, syempre baka meron din kayong mga freebies like this. And syempre, there are promo. May sale siya, promo. Especially ngayong palapit na ang Pasko. Baka gusto nyo mag-stock at mag-regalo. O diba? Mga Filipino, we love things like this. Diba? So anyway, let's have a look at this laman ng ating bag. At tingnan nyo naman, may mga chichirya. O diba? Ay, naku, libre lahat to. Akalain mo, napakaswerte natin at meron tayong mga kaibigan na very generous. Aba, meron tayong oishi, ube na oishi. Oishi. I don't think I've tasted this before, pero it looks like pwede siyang pang snack. So, lalo na pag nagbibiyahe, perfect for our kids. This one is for me and Tomas kasi medyo maanghang. Meron pa tayong sesame oil. Guys, libre lahat ito ha. Kaya sabi ko, i-promote natin ang iyong business para masuportahan natin ang kapwa Pinoy, guys. This is a marinade, barbecue marinade. Diba? Pag mag-barbecue tayo, biscuit kayo dyan. Sunflower. At meron pa tayong mamasita. Aba, meron pa lang sinigang na maanghang. Perfect yan. Favorite nito mas ang sinigang, guys. So, gusto ko yan. Ang tagal ko nang di kumain ng banana ketchup. Perfect sa mga sausawan. And next is, ay grabe, bamboo shoot. Parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nagluto, nakatikim nito. Maski nung umuwi kami last April 2025, hindi ako nakakain yan. Eto, but may mga candies pa. Diba? Social. May dato puti, pang adobo, mga ano pa yan. Meron pa tayong patis. Diba? Hindi pwedeng walang patis. Kag Pinoy ka, kailangan may patis. Diba guys? Madami din to. Worth more than, siguro to. I don't know. Maybe 10, 20. I don't know. Pero, diba, libre lahat yan, guys. Kaya pag suki na kayo, I'm sure you will get promos, discounts, at may mga sale po siya. So, have a look sa kanyang website. Thank you.